music over.
Right, I'll start.
So if your key just spins like this, right, peeps, once you get it to open the door,
Good luck.
try the other key. See how it won't turn it all with that one. Try this key again. Oh, there, it's opening. So once you get it open, peeps, it's a 2-minute job. Just change your cylinder barrel. On the side here, there's a screw. Normal Phillips screwdriver. Take that screw out. Ginger's Sunday morning DIY. The long threads. And all you do then, put your key in. As you can see, it won't come out. Just turn your key a little bit, either way, just a little bit, while pushing on the other side. And eventually, there. The lock will just slide out, peeps. Brand new lock, screw fix, £9.99. It's anti-snap, anti-pick, and you get 5 keys with these locks for £9.99. Now a locksmith would charge you 75 quid for that, and the £9.99, and he'd also charge you about £160 for fitting. So to pull it in, peeps, you just put the key in, turn it a little bit, because that little black thing what spins in the middle is what actually locks it into the door frame. So it's what you do, you get it central, so the key's on a little bit of an angle. Slide it back in the lock, straight in like that, get your screw. Put your screw in. We all like a good screw in on a Sunday morning. I normally had a cordless screwdriver, but I wanted to do it with this just to show you better. So there you go, the lock's now in. Turn the lock keys. There, the lock's all working. All the pins are coming out. Turn it all the way back. Yep, yep. Door locks. Door opens. There you go, peeps. Save yourself 160 quid. Do it yourself, £9.99. Thank you very much.